Hey guys, this is Himanshi, and in today's video I'm going to share the review of pen tablet, how to use it, how to enable the driver. Everything will be there in the video, so stay tuned and please do subscribe my channel for getting more updates about the online teaching, and do like the video if you like. So let's move to the video without further delay. So dear friends, this is that tablet which I was talking. That's a pentab that is from huion Inspiroi, and the model you can see it is RTM 500. So we are going to review about this, and I will be telling. So this is my pentab, and this I have that pen, and this is a pen holder. Okay. So first of all, we will see that how to enable the options. So you can install the driver from the link you will get from the main that source from the main website of the huion tablet, and according to your model number, that mine is what RTM 500, whichever model you are purchasing, you just install the driver. Okay, once you install, then this type of icon you can see on the desktop. This is the icon. From here what you can do is you can just you can just make the things enable. So first of all, remember these three things has to be enabled. That is enable press key, enable touch, and sensitive. You can keep 3 is enough for normal use. Okay, this is the first thing you have to do. The next thing which you have to use, that is a digital pen, and this is very important. This is very important. So if I talk about pen tablet, if I ask you the working area, so this is working area. If you are keeping it to this, the full area, it will be like this. Otherwise, you can also custom the area, but you generally keep it for the full area. And this is 0-degree rotation. If I put 90-degree, it will be like this. So if you want to use in portrait way, you can choose the option 90-degree. Otherwise, you can use the 0-degree for here. Always remember that these lines, you can see that this point refers to this point of the desktop. You can just compare. According to you, you can custom that. You can make it 90-degree, you can make it 180-degree, or you can make it 270-degree, like as per your wish. So I generally keep for 0-degree. That seems to be more comfortable for me. So this was the 2 option for the pen tablet one. Then you have to move to the digital pen. Remember, this thing should be unchecked. All these 3 areas should be unchecked. If you suppose you enable the window links, what will happen? Whenever you want to write something on the desktop, you will not be allowed. You will not be able to write. So if you're facing the issue, so you can just check the settings again. So make sure that these 3 boxes, that's game mode, mouse mode, and enable window links, this all should be unchecked. All right. So this was all the programs you have to do. There is not much thing. Then if I talk about this pressure and sensitivity adjustment, that you can keep according to you. So I put like this. Generally I just put for the normal, which is applicable. You can see like whatever I've done. Okay, this represent the click threshold. Okay, you can keep it to hard, you can just do it to medium, and this yellow represent and red represent the sensitivity. So this is absolutely fine. There is nothing. This is just a default setting what has been done from the company side. So now we will see that how we can work on the screen using the pen tablet. Okay, तो यहाँ पे मैं just पेंट ओपन कर लेती हूँ. आप ऐसे चेक कर सकते हैं कि आपका जो पेन टैब है वो प्रॉपरली वर्क कर रहा है या फिर नहीं कर रहा. सब देख सकते हैं. मैं कुछ भी अगर लिखती हूँ, पहले मैं यहाँ से पेंसिल सेलेक्ट कर लूँगी. ओके, अब मैं कुछ भी लिखती हूँ तो यहाँ पे देखो लिख ही जाएगा. So I'm writing this way, like I'm just writing the sentence. So ये जो लाइंस दी होती है, आप इससे प्रैक्टिस भी कर सकते हो स्ट्रेट लिखने की. अदरवाइज जैसे भी आप थोड़ा बहुत यूज़ करोगे ना, तो अपने आप ही आप इसके हैबिट में आ जाओगे, एंड इट विल नॉट वर्क. सो इफ आई एम राइटिंग हियर, आई एम राइटिंग यूट्यूब, एंड यू कैन सी वेयर इट विल रिफ्लेक्ट. सो अगर मिडल में लिख रहे हो तो मिडल ऑफ स्क्रीन में रिफ्लेक्ट होता है ये इस तरीके से. ओके, सो दिस वॉज ऑल अबाउट टूडेज थिंग. यू कैन ऑल्सो चेंज द कलर फ्रॉम हियर, एंड ये चीज़ें जो है वो सभी में अवेलेबल हो जाएंगी. लाइक आप व्हाइट बोर्ड यूज़ करते हो तो उसमें भी आप इसको यूज़ कर सकते हो. एंड थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. आई होप यू लाइक द वीडियो. प्लीज़ टू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. थैंक यू.